nothing can expand when being squeezed. This statement is equivalent to the second law. When a ball is squeezed, its volume must decrease. We can prove it. First, the entropy of the universe must increase before the big chill. Therefore, the entropy change of the ball plus the entropy change of its surroundings must be greater than 0. And we can multiply both sides by temperature T, because temperature cannot be negative. In thermodynamics, we learned that temperature times the change of the entropy of the surroundings is equal to the amount of heat absorbed by the surroundings. So we make this replacement. And also we know Q surroundings is equal to negative Q of the ball, because heat flows from the ball to the surroundings or vice versa. They have the same magnitude but different signs. And also, based on the first law of thermodynamics, we have T delta S is equal to delta U plus P delta V. And this Q is equal to delta U plus P external delta V. This is external pressure. Delta U and delta U cancel. So the change in internal energy here and here, they completely cancel. We have a simpler inequality here. And we combine this delta V bar, this is a common factor here, and we have P external minus P times delta V should be negative. Now let's look at this inequality again from second law. When a bar is squeezed, P external has to be greater than P, because you are exerting additional force to the ball. And therefore, this delta V must be negative. Again, we're looking at a product here. If this number is positive, then this number has to be negative. Our conclusion is very simple. The ball must shrink when being squeezed, and that's based on the second law of thermodynamics. However, can this delta V be 0 when the ball is squeezed? The answer is no. We can prove this difference between the isobaric heat capacity and isochloric heat capacity is proportional to the reciprocal of this delta V. If delta V is 0, when you apply a pressure to it, then the ball's heat capacity, either Cp or Cv, would have to be infinity, and that's unphysical.